Sir, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Check out the hat. Woo! So, I'm over here with Mr. Daniel. Daniel, my brother, what's happening?
What's up, everybody?
We're checking out his plasma table. He is making us a new crown. We're going to use this on the Samurai. I'll show you that, obviously, once it's done. We're going to Alabama. We're going to need this next week. But he's fixing to make me a new, a bigger one, a larger one, and we're here watching. So Daniel's got an amazing shop, metal building, really nice, spray foam insulated, insane amount of light in here, really nice quality as far as brightness. Not enough? He's doing more? See, one more row. This is definitely everyone's dream. This is definitely my dream, to have a shop of this size. Nissan that he's working on, and then that's the chassis for the Ford, the Ranger. Super cool dude, Daniel. I met him through, how did we end up meeting? Just chit-chatting, and then we met at Eastbound. Yeah. And here we are. And here we are now. Here we go. That is awesome. And what happens is, this is what it's doing, and it erases the orange mark on here when it's done. See how the orange is disappearing? Absolutely amazing. There it is. So when I go to Alabama next week, I'm gonna take this with me and I'll have them painted orange, and we're gonna put it up on the wall. It'll be there forever. It's good shit, man. That is awesome. Really cool. How long it take?
5 minutes. 5:40 at torch time.
Wow, that's so cool. Definitely something that I want to invest in, but currently at the moment I don't have the space. It'll happen, just not right now. Everything happens, in time, baby steps. Like I tell you guys all the time, Rome was not built in a day. So, super cool, man. Super cool. So, it was really nice to visit Mr. Daniel. I'm going to leave a link in the description to his channel. Why don't you go ahead and check out his channel, show him some support and love, because that's kind of what we do around here. We help one another out. So, here, take a look at this. Samurai is torn up in a good way. Got all pieces taken off, everything that's going to get painted or repainted or changed. Lot of stuff. Something to take note of. This is a distributor out of a 22RE, which is fuel injected. No vacuum advance. And it's the same distributor as mine, except obviously this doesn't have vacuum advance. So I won't have to be worrying about having the bladder poke itself through the hood. Yeah. So 10 pounds of shit in a 5-pound bag. Yeah, so everything's gonna get changed. I don't want to say what I'm doing, but everything in this pile right here is getting repainted and changed. You can see what that is. It's top secret. Even this is gonna get changed. So this video will end up being posted while I'm in Alabama, getting all the work done on the Samurai. Then I'll have that video obviously for the following week, and then it's get the truck together, which isn't going to take long to do, and then mini knots will basically be right around the corner. How you doing kind of thing. So got a long road ahead of me. really do. If I play my cards right, everything should fall into place. And that's how it goes. So just wanted to put this out there. A busy day today. Today's Saturday. Got Greg coming for Macrophobia. We got to finish the panel underneath his hood. I needed the truck here. You know, I can't make a panel then go over there and 2 hours away, only to find out that it doesn't fit. That's kind of foolish. So keep you all in the loop, man. Keeping you in the loop. Holy shit! Still out here working. Very pleased. Take a peek. Bam. So obviously we see the inlet, you know, for the coolant. Kind of had to work around it. Roll the edge around his radiator. Got to tweak the panel a little bit, but that looks really good. And I still got to finish this right here. Roll this edge down, roll that edge down, and then we're basically done. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I am very happy, extremely happy how it came out. Couldn't ask for anything more. Probably have another 4 hours into it so far, between trimming the panel and, you know, doing everything. So, long day. Getting her done though, man. Woo! Long day, man, long day. Let me show you what we did on Ken's Tahoe from Negative Camber. I'm actually excited. As time goes by, you learn, you know, more little tricks and tips and stuff, and more people start asking you and they trust you. This is a beautiful truck. Take a look. It's an 08. I made the front panel for inside here, and I made a panel, which you can see, for inside here. Currently there was nothing. Didn't do the back. The back was done already, or they did something back there. We could still put something over that, but I think I'm gonna convince him to let me make a panel for here another day. But man, definitely pretty. And there it is. I'm not a fan of spray paint, but got to put something on it so it doesn't, you know, rust. I personally would have these color matched, you know, to the vehicle. That's just my opinion. So a lot of things are going to happen very, very soon. Just bear with me. Videos are going to kind of be like wonky a little bit, but once we get on the S10 in like a week or two, more like a week, it'll start, you know, coming together. But I'm thinking of changing the name to the channel. I have a new name picked out. I'm going to discuss that in another video while I'm down in Alabama. But guys, man, I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. It really means a lot to me. I'm trying to grow the channel. I feel like I'm going backwards, not forwards, but I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a wonderful day, bugs, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.